Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is an indentation, how to use indentation in Python, then we will discuss what happens when we skip the indentation or use the wrong indentation. What is an indentation? Indentation refers to the white spaces and tabs at the beginning of a code line. Indentation is used to indicate a block of code in Python. Many other programming languages like Java, C and C++ use curly brackets to define a block of code. In other programming languages, the indentation is used in the code for better readability only, whereas in Python, indentation is used to indicate a block of code. Example. In this example, if statements are a type of code block, if the first expression evaluates to true, then block 1 is executed, otherwise block 2 is executed. A block may contain a single statement or multiple statements. If multiple statements are all intended with the same number of spaces, they form one block. Example. In this example, if statements are a type of code block. Here, the if code block contains multiple statements. If the first expression evaluates to true, then block 1 is executed, otherwise block 2 is executed. By default, Python uses 4 spaces as indentation. Although you are free to use any number of spaces, at least one space must be used. But all statements in a single code block must be indented with the same number of spaces. If we skip the indentation, Python will give an error message. Example. In this example, we omitted the indentation, so Python will return an error message. Indentation error. Expected unintended block. The last line of the error message indicates the type of error. Python will throw an error if we do not use the same number of spaces within the same code block. Example. In this example, Python will throw an error due to the wrong indentation. Here in the else part, we have used a different number of spaces in the same block of code. That's why Python will throw an indentation error. So all statements in a single code block must be indented with the same number of spaces. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.